Hello, everyone. Hope you're doing well. So most of the content creators use CapCut for video editing because it was totally free with all the amazing features. It has been a great tool for everyone, but they have made all the useful features paid now, and you can't export your video with these pro features. In this video, I am going to show how you can export the video with any pro features. You've probably seen people using cracked software to use for free, or other methods like using a very older version that allows you to use it for free. But you can't use the latest features like that. Using cracked software is also risky, and I even got my Instagram account hacked once. So I am going to share another trick that allows you to use any feature on CapCut and export the video without any watermark as well. You don't need to use any cracked software or older version. You can use the most updated version to give all the latest features. Suppose you have edited this video on CapCut. Now you need to export it. Don't worry, you can use any feature available in CapCut. You can see I have used Pro features, and I can't export the video with these features now. First, make sure you have completed editing the whole video. Now select everything with Control plus A. Then right-click and select the option to create compound clip, or press Alt-G. So all your clips are in this compound clip. Now right-click on this compound clip and choose Pre-Process Compound Clip. It will take some time to pre-process the video. After the pre-processing is done, we will render the video now. For that, click anywhere outside, make sure to not select the clip, then right-click, go to Render and choose Whole Timeline. Wait for the rendering. After rendering, you can still see the Pro features while trying to export the video. We have a different method for that. Go to C Drive in File Manager. Then go to Users and choose the user that you use. Then enter App Data and Local. Here you'll see different apps. Here is CapCut. Go to CapCut Drafts. These are all the projects that you have created. The latest project should be at the bottom. You can check the project name on CapCut. Then enter that folder. Now go to Resources folder and then Combination. You should see two video files here. This is the rendered video that you have just edited on CapCut with all the pro features. You already have your video now. Sometimes you can't play the video here. Don't worry, import this file to CapCut. Now select that clip, right-click, and choose Export Selected Clips. Here you see you can export the video as usual. You don't have any issues for the pro features. You can choose any resolution or change other things as well. Then just click the Export button and export to your preferred location. Here you have it. The video is exported and all the pro features are yield there in your Getty Eye. Diane, you did a little hand editing for that. Hope it will be helpful for you. Make sure to like the video if it makes your life easier. Thanks for watching the video.